Anna Bruno. Welcome to my channel. I am here to talk about how to make money online. In this day and age with ChatGPT taking everybody's jobs away, what are we going to do? But I have some plans for you guys. So let's think of ways how we can supplement our income with additional opportunities. Are you ready to become an Instagram influencer or a Facebook influencer? Well, this is the age of the influencers. They're the next celebrities because, believe it or not, thousands of people follow you. There are several websites that you can use to apply to be utilized as an influencer, or you can contact the brands or the companies directly to work with them directly, as long as you have large enough following. And that takes dedication and work and hard work and consistency. Do not think that you're going to become an influencer overnight. It takes work. So consider at least a year to 2 years in order for you to get to a point where you can have enough following and enough trust in what you're doing in order for you to start reaping the rewards of the hard work. Have you ever thought of becoming an author? Because now you can. You can actually self-publish an ebook on Amazon. They actually have a special program for that. So if you like to write, or you think of yourself as even an aspiring writer, I commend you to go ahead and apply for the Amazon self-publishing program and earn some extra cash online. Did you know that you can also make money by testing websites and apps? Who knew, right? But people are paying for it. Your opinion matters. So consider doing that. And a few other tips and tricks. Have you thought of renting your car? You can actually rent your car. You can even rent your equipment. You can even rent your expensive professional tennis ball machine. You can even rent your instruments. You can rent your music instruments. You can even rent your music instrument. You can rent anything you want, actually. And then once you're done renting, then you can start selling anything you don't want, okay? You have jackets that may not fit you, or anything else you bought, like it was an impulse purchase, but you thought, oh my God, I'm crazy, I'm never gonna wear this. Well, you can sell all of those things online, of course. There are many different websites to sell, as you know, but it takes patience and dedication. You have to upload the pictures, you have to tag them, you have to put a description on them. I would say Facebook Marketplace is probably one of the best ways to sell used goods, but of course there are other websites or other sites like eBay and many other newer sites that you can take advantage of. But yes, consider decluttering your home. It's like killing two birds with one stone, because not only you're decluttering your home, getting rid of extra stuff, but you're also making money. How great is that? So hopefully you can take all these tips and tricks and all these ideas and start making some money. And remember to leave comments down below. I want to hear all about your successes. And if you have failures, I would want to hear about those too. But successes and failures, make comments. Make sure to like us and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about money, finance, and success skills and being successful and happy in life. So till next time, my friends. See you later. This is Anna, and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.